What's up, butt-tards? Oh, there's Yellowbeard. Hi, little angel. Kyla. Dude, that Yellowbeard is amazing, man. Oh, there's Fat Cosmo, who ain't fat. He was a drop-off, and he was fat. Oh, he's a weather, but he's... the little angel's putting off some scent. Getting all these boys worked up. Hi, little baby. Hi, little... Hi. Hi, bud. How you doing? Oh, thank you. Hi, little cutie. My goodness, you have a lot to say this morning. Bring me my fucking food, motherfucker. Now! Isn't that right? What is this evil language you're speaking? The chickens are waiting too.